Transportation plays a vital role in daily life and business activities, from commuting to work to traveling for meetings or conferences. Understanding how to navigate transportation systems and communicate effectively in English ensures smooth travel experiences. In the TOEIC test, you may encounter vocabulary and phrases related to transportation. Here's an overview of this topic from various perspectives, using language suitable for CFR A1 A2 learners. 1. Using public transportation. Public transportation is a common way to travel in cities and towns. Phrases like, "Where is the nearest train station?" "What time does the bus arrive?" and "How much is a ticket to destination?" are frequently used. Words like schedule, platform, and transfer help you understand and navigate systems like buses, trains, and subways. 2. Booking tickets and reservations. For longer trips, such as flights or long-distance trains, booking tickets in advance is often necessary. Phrases like, "I'd like to book a ticket to City," "Is this a one-way or round-trip ticket?" and "What's the departure time?" are helpful. Understanding terms like seat reservation, boarding pass, and cancellation policy ensures clear communication during the booking process. 3. Finding your way at stations and airports. Navigating large stations or airports can be challenging, so asking for directions is important. Phrases like, "Where is the check-in counter?" "Which platform does the train leave from?" and "How do I get to Terminal 2?" are useful. Signs with words like departure, arrival, and baggage claim are also commonly seen in these areas. 4. Taking taxis or rideshare services. Taxis and rideshare services like Uber or Lyft are convenient for short-distance travel. Phrases like, "I'd like a taxi to address," "How much is the fare?" and "Can you drop me off here?" are standard. Knowing terms like meter, fare estimate, and pickup location ensures a smooth experience. 5. Understanding traffic and road signs. For those driving or renting cars, understanding traffic rules and signs is crucial. Phrases like, "What's the speed limit here?" "Is parking available?" and "How do I get to destination by car?" are commonly used. Words like stop, yield, and no entry are standard on road signs and help ensure safety. 6. Handling delays or issues. Travel delays or problems can occur, and it's important to communicate about them clearly. Phrases like, "Why is the train delayed?" "Is there an alternative route?" and "When will the next bus arrive?" help address concerns. Polite language such as, "Could you please provide more information?" ensures positive interactions with transportation staff. 7. Using payment methods for transportation. Different transportation systems have various payment options. Phrases like, "Can I pay with a credit card?" "Do you accept cash?" and "How do I use this travel card?" are useful. Understanding terms like fare, ticket machine, and recharge helps you pay for services efficiently. 8. Asking for recommendations or local advice. When traveling in a new area, asking locals or staff for advice can improve your experience. Phrases like, "What's the best way to get to place?" "Is there a faster route?" and "Which bus should I take?" provide valuable insights. Being open to advice helps you make the most of your journey. 9. Communicating politely with staff. Politeness is key when interacting with transportation staff. Phrases like, "Thank you for your help," "I appreciate your assistance," and "Could you please explain that again?" ensure respectful communication. Polite requests create a positive impression and encourage helpful responses. Understanding these aspects of transportation helps you navigate various travel situations confidently, whether for business or leisure. This knowledge is useful for TOEIC preparation and for building practical communication skills. Clear and polite communication ensures smooth travel experiences and reduces stress during your journey.